Many people worldwide are suffering from devastating but entirely preventable health issues simply because they don't have access to the resources or information they need to better their health. As shown by its list of essential services, public health is all about informing, educating, and empowering people in a way that will allow them to lead better lives. I want to do my part to ensure that everyone has reasonable access to the tools and knowledge available to prevent and resolve health-related issues. If I were to pursue a career in public health, I would like to work at a global nonprofit such as Child Family Health to help address and improve maternal and child health. There are lots of women living in less developed nations like Uganda, for example, that are at risk of complicated births due largely to the high incidences of malnutrition and disease. Many children are at risk of contracting preventable diseases or suffering from malnutrition due to a lack of resources. I would like to help educate women about how to lower the transmission of disease, as well as how to improve child nutrition to give each individual their best shot at leading a healthier life. By first educating these women about what they can do to improve their situation, they, along with future generations, will be more equipped to take better care of themselves and feel empowered to help others to do the same, which is truly what public health is all about.
Like Morgan said, one of the 10 essential services of public health is to inform, educate, and empower. To quote Doctrine and Covenants, section 123, verse 12, "There are many who are kept from the truth because they know not where to find it." However you may define public health, as the role of the government or literally as the health of the public, informing, educating, and empowering must always play a key role in that definition. I plan to pursue a career in advertising and to possibly work at a specialty ad agency that focuses on healthcare, such as FCB Health, which was recently named the Healthcare Network of the Year at the 2018 Cannes Lion Health Festival in France. Rich Levy, the CCO, said that our aim has always been to create the most impactful, inventive, and boundary-breaking work, and to try to transform healthcare advertising in some way, to leave it better than we found it. In whatever field I find myself in, I will always be able to make the world a better and healthier place by informing, educating, and empowering.